You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. And today's story is a government relocation story. It was Thursday morning when the call came in. Urgent, quiet, and unmistakably official. We have a government employee being reassigned overseas. The family departs in 3 weeks. The move must be complete, secure, and cleared through the embassy before departure. Can your team take it? That's the kind of call SDC receives, but this one was different. The family was stationed at a federal training center, and the new position was an embassy in Southeast Asia. This required sensitive custom handling, vehicle transport, and temporary storage on both origin and destination, and the clock was already ticking. First, there was building the plan. Within hours, SDC's relocation task force assembled. A dedicated relocation counselor contacted the agency liaison, reviewed entitlements, and confirmed the chain of approvals. Our operation team booked embassy-cleared packers, and our logistics division began coordinating both air and sea transport. Each detail mattered. The family's vehicle required diplomatic clearance, household goods needed to be separated by shipment type, one for immediate arrival and one for later delivery. Documentation had to be perfect. And of course, there's the human side. For the family, the hardest part wasn't the packing, it was all the uncertainty. They were leaving behind schools, routines, and community ties. SDC stepped in to help them feel supported. Our destination partners scheduled orientation tours and temporary housing arrangements before the family even landed. Through all of it, the relocation counselor stayed in contact, tracking approvals, confirming custom progress, and offering reassurance when stress crept in. And the results. 3 weeks later, everything was in motion. The household goods cleared the embassy ahead of schedule, the vehicle was loaded on an approved carrier, and the family boarded their flight knowing that their new home and everything in it was already waiting for them. The agency described the process in one word: flawless. When government relocations happen on tight timelines, experience is the difference between precision and pressure. To get more information, visit our website or call 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.